Hello everyone, welcome to Tech for Fun. In this video, we will see how to interface IR sensor to Arduino Uno. If you haven't seen my previous video, that is how to interface LED to Arduino Uno, I have attached the link in the I button, you can check it out. So let's start. For this project, we need Arduino Uno, breadboard, IR sensor, LED, register, jumper cable for connecting, and AB cable for programming. Here I have attached the circuit diagram, and using the circuit diagram I am connecting my LED to register. The positive pin of LED should go to the pin number 13 and the negative of LED should go to register, and the register should go to ground of Arduino Uno. If you have any doubt regarding the circuit, you can check our website. You will get the details about it. So here I am taking the IR sensor. There is 3 pin in the IR sensor. VCC, ground, output. VCC should go to 5 volt. Ground should go to ground of Arduino. And here I am taking the programming pin, means the output is connected to pin number 5. So let's get into the programming. So here I have 2 devices, one is LED, second one is IR sensor. So LED is connected to pin number 13, that's why I am declaring LED as output. So I have to write pin mode 13 output. Then again I have taken my IR sensor which is connected to pin number 5. So pin mode 5 input, because IR sensor is a input device. So here I am taking the sensor value, that is digital read. I am taking the value from the pin number 5. So if digital read is equal to 1, means the sensor is detected, then the LED should be on. Digital write 13 1. So 13 means the LED number and 1 means for on, or you can write high. So next step is else. The LED is low, means the LED should be off. If the sensor is not detected, LED should be off. So in market you can find 2 types of IR sensor. This is depending upon pull-up concept or pull-down concept. If you have the IR sensor of pull-up concept, so you will get 0 as detected, one as not detected. If you are getting other IR sensor, so you will get 1 as a detected, 0 as not detected. So we can test it here. Now after finishing the program, let's compile. So compiling done, let's upload the program. First select the board, that is Arduino Uno, then select the port number, COM4, then upload. So in the right hand side you can see I have connected my Arduino to laptop. So now it's uploaded, let's see. So it's basically pull-up concept. So whenever the IR sensor detected, LED is off, when not detected, LED is on. We know that light doesn't reflect on black color, so the IR sensor is not detecting the black color. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment it below, so I will try my best to help you.